Alright, we got our mini brands unboxing. So first, we have the Holy Guacamole Spicy Guacamole. Then we have the Sunny D Tangy Original Orange Juice. Well, then we have Family Size Frosted Flakes. We have the Billy B Honey Little B. Then we got the Low Sodium Blue Diamond Almonds. We have the Pop Secret Butter Classic Butter Taste Popcorn. We have the Belvita Blueberry Little Breakfast Bars. Sun-Made Organic Raisins. We got some Scotch Magic Tape. We got some sour cream and onion Pringles. We got the Revlon Color Stay 24-Hour Wear Foundation. We got the Jolly Ranchers Hard Candy. The Drumstick Squishies. Never heard of these. We got the Jelly Belly 30 flavor jelly bean little tin. We got V8 Original can. We got the Revlon nail polish. We got the Icebreaker mints in Cool Mint. We got Reese's Pieces. What was my favorite? We got the Slurpee. Then we got the Batiste Blush Dry Hairspray thing. Oh, we got the Mentos Fruit. Sorry, I'm like covering it up. Mentos. Then we got the Dermless Pastel Pencil Kit. Look at that. We got the Apple Juicy Juice. Then we got the Scotch Tape Runner. Yeah, so do a quick little highlight of everything real fast. So I'm like zooming through on purpose. But yeah, I'm pretty happy because I really did not have most of these, so pretty excited about these. So yeah, so I'm just running through real fast of everything just to sum it up. But thank you to who said to post this. I didn't even think of it. So shout out to you. And those are all of my mini brands that are going to go in here from that mystery Christmas. Thank you guys for watching. This was going to be short, but now it's going to be a main channel video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, subscribe, see you later.